Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them me like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me, try so hard then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day
So to all the new viewers, to all our new subscribers, our new viewers, this is Sovelia from the Overcomers, who is our extended family. And who we call extended family is our donor, who donates. So once you're a donor, we don't call you donor, we call you extended family. Yeah. We call you extended family because you're a family from the other side reaching out and helping out. So we don't say Wax. Sharon, we say washing? I'm gonna bring mines them come here. Yeah man.
Always welcome. You know you're general.
I whole heap of clothes, 2 barrel of clothes, Sharon. 2 barrel of clothes,
You don't go 3 for you.
3?
Yeah. You're so good, you're so nice.
Alright then, now I'm gonna make sure I bring 4. All 5. Alright. Allah, get Ghana, Miss Dana.
Donna, you're a visitor.
Dana, lock we out. Walk, hold back close pan line. Yes. And garden start set up already, Dana. Close wash and hang off pan line. I hold this wash scale fish. Big chef. Dana. We start off a knock now and say Dana.
Alright, Donna, me talk to you.
So Dana tell Dana that she will talk to her.
Me talk to you.
So Dana is telling Dana, I will talk to you.
Hi, Miss Dana.
Hello.
How are you?
Yes, Miss Dana.
You come here without looking for you. Look nice though. Yeah. Nice and fresh and stress free.
And I'm just like I said, she's looking fresh.
Yes, sir.
Nice, just touched down. Oh Lord.
Come from market.
I love one whole heap of washing. Are you a cook that fish, eh? Are you a cook? Can she can cook?
Yes, she can cook. She can do everything,
Oh, that good.
Yeah, Mama.
We got to fry it.
Big one or the little one. Okay, so she must can cook.
We got to fry the fish and then cook it down. Yeah.
Saturday on cabinet fish and cook down.
Yeah,
Yeah, every Friday dry now them eat.
So then how is everything with the new house? How you living?
Alright,
Comfortable?
Yeah.
AC cool?
Yes, you know in the yet.
Oh, come here talk about the AC.
Yeah.
So how you sleeping?
Alright. You sleep good, man.
Come here, so when you're sleeping, you want to get up out of bed anymore.
Morning time, I forgot on prayer meeting and sometime when it almost done with.
Yeah. Christopher Ellis, they are Jamaican, and so him say, I want to come look for you, is either.
I'm here same day and I say, I want to see him.
Yeah.
Me always I miss him.
Yeah.
Me and him always there here the same time.
Yeah.
But me always I miss you.
Because I'm going to man to be a no, so you just miss him.
Me always I miss you, Christopher.
Yes.
Why?
That me I say. I've got to arrange it again. So, well, I'm going to man to be here today.
Always there here at the same time, but we never. Yeah, never buckle. Want to Pablo, big up Pablo.
Oh yeah, big up yourself, Pablo.
Yeah.
You know, say you want us to meet in Jamaica.
And you just going to miss him again.
I lie. I have to go buy the ticket.
You're going to miss him, see him here.
Why you come and she not go there?
Yeah. Yeah, miss him again.
Pablo, been a like that. Carla and Oliver. Hi.
Yes.
The man name was just to the beach trip.
Warren.
Big up yourself, Warren, and all the extended family. Big up Sandy. And
big up yourself.
Big up all of the extended family. Them cannot help me with the name now.
There's so much name. That's why I would say extended
Max
family.
Max and Mommy, the Chung family, my auntie Jean, and the other part of the overcomers.
And the Arlo.
And all them, I'm if you forget all them.
Yeah.
All them. Look here.
All them in the Harlem. Enough. That's
big up the guys that always donated the windows, the brothers.
Fabulous Brothers.
Again? Fabulous Brothers. Too much. We can't remember everybody, but we love all of you. Because we are all one big, happy, extended family.
Yeah, man. All the Carl and Denise then.
Carl and Denise.
There's too much name for Carl, man. It's too much.
Boy, enough, but don't think I forget you know. We know enough. We love you enough. Michelle, makeup by Michelle. Yeah. I can't remember the name.
But you got boss your brain because there's so much.
There's so much of them, yeah.
That's why I'm saying.
All the things that are the extended family.
Yeah, but sometimes it's nice when I call out her name. Yeah. Big up Miri.
And then someone will say, oh, should I call my name?
Yeah. Well, I need my phone to find some name. Patrick. You always a big me up Patrick. Big up Patrick. Big up the guys that make the t-shirts. What name?
Our Love.
See
the Our Love.
Yeah, Our Love different from Arlim, right?
Radar, which is Radar Apparel.
The other one.
Yeah, Radar Apparel in name. The Our Love are Radar Apparel.
Not him. The other one, what name again? Country.
Country as well.
Yeah,
too.
Country.
Yeah, Country will help out with the treat.
And Toto. And the whole of just big enough. Big up. All the way up.
Yes.
Yeah.
If you not hear the name called, just see with her.
Yeah.
Not even me can remember so much names. If you try remember sometime, I get mind block.
I remember that the dream team is going all the way up. No one can stop us.
No.
We are going all the way up. Our team and the extended family, we're going all the way up. Yeah. People, wanna come here. Don't Kina bless. When I ever say one little young man bless her, Kina bless. I love him. Yeah.
I make a thank.
Yeah. And him come
so God will shower him with blessings over and over. God to say mean for the things.
And him have such a good heart.
Yes.
Yeah.
True.
Come on, Angela, come next to me.
Yes. So sounds are there.
Yes, and my big friend Angela and my granddaughter-in-law.
Yes. I will also thank Christmas List.
Yeah, Christmas List.
And D Moango, you know, for the collaboration to help the program grow as well.
Yeah, Christmas List is a good guy.
Yeah,
and what's the other one?
D Moango.
That's too much. D.
Yes, a D.
Yeah.
Yeah. You say you bite your tongue, try it. Say D Moango.
D Moango.
Oh, okay, there you go. See?
D Moango, big up yourself.
Yeah, man.
Big up yourself.
Because with them now, they bring a lot of new subscribers to the program. And we welcome all of them. So, all the new subscribers, this is Sovilia, you know, one of our donors, but also donors of them also extended family. You know, because once you reach out, you're also a family, you know. And they.
If we care enough about you, we are no longer strangers. We're family. Family love.
Because that's what families are for, you know. And that is it. And she's here now for the longest while. I don't know what she's been missing so long out of Jamaica.
You know, say the work thing have me tied down.
I mean, I think you're going to come to the opening.
You should have saved it till this week.
Everybody do want to save it. Oliver and Carol for come as well, you know, but they must miss it by about 3 days.
Wow.
You know, they miss it because they always want to say, you know, when is the opening, but it was missed by same thing with Christopher. Christopher the one there for the opening, but the time until we are doing it.
We can do it for the anniversary opening.
Yeah. So we're going to save it for next year, you know, one anniversary opening. Right, Mr. Anna?
Yes.
Yeah.
Well, look here, Mr. Anna, I love curry goat, you know.
I love it too.
Yeah, so as you can see, to the new viewers, this is the previous house that we built, you know, through our donation, you know, from the extended families. This is the house that we built, you know. I want to thank our extended family so much. You know, it's really a blessing. So then well comfortable, clothes wash and hang out on line. You know, all the thing. You know, with her and 3 kids. So this is the recent house that we built. You know, and we give thanks to our donors them for doing so. You know, so it's a blessing.
Thank all the donors that put it this far. That, we can live and live comfortable. All the extended family. Thank you for everything you want to do for me.
I also put Mr.
Yeah, and everything you want about to do for others.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm pray to God for no make no pocket empty, you know, always have it to help others.
Yeah, man, we thank them so much.
And Kina, us as the extended family, we are on your side.
Yes.
No matter how things get rough, we are on your side.
Yes.
You understand? We not leave you.
No.
Yeah, just stay focused.
You keep praying for me.
Just stay focused and we keep praying for you. And it now go crumble, it go get better. Yeah.
Better. As I can see, you know, the Almighty will definitely continue to bless us to carry on, because it's all the righteousness. You know, we're not doing the wrong thing, we're doing it for the right cause.
And we're going to confuse the devil.
Hey.
We're going to confuse him. And when him think him win, him frightened and around.
Them start frightening already on the road, and I realize
just
keep on pushing on.
Just stay focused, Kina.
God bless Kina.
Yeah, God bless him, man. Just stay focused and don't give up.
And just keep the faith.
And keep the faith, because sometimes, you know, it will get rough, you know.
Yes.
Remember how much disciple Jesus did ever follow him?
Yes, over 100
and to the end, how much did leave?
12.
Yeah.
And out of the 12 what happened? One still betrayed.
Yeah.
So, no worry about it. The race is not for the swift, but it's for those that endure to the end. You understand? And you just take time and everything will come true.
Well said, you know, it's dead. Well, Miss Dana,
yes.
I'm glad you're happy and you're comfortable now, you know, from where you're coming from to where you are, you know.
When the rain fall, you mean me not for drawing nothing again, but just lie down.
And here, I had to come and see you, Miss Dana. We just want to see a pretty house.
Hey.
Stay a good house.
Yeah, we doing
and set the drawing pan.
Up on the floor, shall wash away on the floor.
God is good, Miss Dana.
Yeah.
God is good. God never leave us nor forsake us. Miss Dana, if you ever know where God bring me from, me would have to start Kina show, Kina program from its start until now.
How far?
Nobody can tell me about God.
May I tell you?
Me and I'm a Christian in a church and baptized, but I go to church.
Yes.
But nobody at all can tell me about my God. God love me special and me love God on purpose. Trust me. Trust me. Yeah.
Because which part of my carry me from? Because me go on that road and come and he put me back. I tell people all the while, I say a second chance me depend. So them can't kill me and God have to kill me because God put me back here. You know, with a second chance. If he want me, come for me. Nobody can kill me.
That's why I'm not afraid of people and them out, Miss Dana. You get second, me get third, about 20 chance me reach now with God. I won't leave. I won't leave. And that's why me have to do what I'm doing. I take great pleasure in giving. I take great pleasure in doing what I'm doing. It make me feel good when me I do. Yeah. Because God saved me purposely for a reason. Yeah, nobody can tell me nothing about that. And nobody can change my mind from God.
Every day I tell the kids them, I say me on a second chance.
Yeah.
I mean, nobody turn my mind.
Yeah, from God.
Yeah.
You're crazy? Our God?
Me dead. When me have
the baby.
And when God wake me up and said to me, say, go back. You have a baby if you go look out, go back. And when me reach back to the body, me the doctor say, she dead. And the next one say, you can't make the woman dead for a baby. And he said, so me make she dead, she dead. And then after me go hear the voice said to me, say, lie down. And the spirit does go back
in the body. Yeah.
And when me lie down now, me here when they want to hold on to my hand. So
you have a pulse?
I feel a pulse. And the next one, so if you feel pulse and the human dead.
Yeah.
Come here, ear, but me nah.
You can't respond.
Yeah, and then after a while now, long after me feel something cold come from my stomach. And me hear say, yes, a heartbeat is there, but it low. And after a while now, me open my eye. The doctor woman stand up over me and she said, you come back. And me shake my head and he said, open your mouth. And by she put a tube in my mouth and one in my nose. Me don't know nothing again from Monday till Thursday.
Yeah.
I mean, wake up a life machine with the pan.
Yeah.
So me tell everybody, me say, God, give me a second chance. So nobody can turn my mind from him. No care what them do. If they try to kill me, then can't kill me because God me say. Him have to come and say, well done, I'm ready for you. Can give me a second chance on him can't kill me. So I care what them try. What do you mean? I'm sick of peace spirit in my house. I have to get mad in there one night and say, no man, no stay in here. Because them set spirit in the house for me. I say, you can't stay in here. Can't stay in here with me. And I start getting mad in the house. I buy a bottle of olive oil and I dash from out there so come straight in. Find my house, come straight go right to the gate there. So I say, I out the son of his stay. Not in my house. I'm sick. I can't even get up. Then Penny said, Mommy, come go to doctor. I said, I'm not going to no doctor because I serve a God and God have to take out when I'm in my house. Every food I cook in my house is spoiled. Can't stay till 2 hours. In the morning, you open the fridge stink. You see, on Sunday dinner when I cook, Monday morning you can't eat it. You have to throw it out. And I just start talk to God and I say, no, this can't happen in my house and I use me, sir. So you have to get them out. And now my food can stay. You can wake up a morning and eat food. Here, sister Junie talking, you know. I tell Kino, say Kino, Miss Dana have to pray hard down there.
Yeah, true, she did say that.
Yeah.
Holy
I never
prayer.
wanted for this.
Holy prayer.
Come here, before I get the house, my dreams, somebody I tell Kino, so I give me the house. You know.
Well, them can't say anything.
Yeah, my dreams is
Kino
somebody I
a
tell
follower.
Kino. Say don't give me the house, because me not worth it.
Kino a follower.
And Kino turned to the person and say, she have to get it because she goes.
I eat, yeah.
I mean, I first me talk it with Kino here. We say it to little, but we don't say it to Kino.
Yeah, man, a father got to work with, man.
Yeah.
So once father got to say, what is for you, have to be for you. You can't be for nobody else.
Nobody else can.
Nobody else can lead you in no wrong direction, you know. So that is it. Dana, God bless you and let's go and continue upon your journey.
Glad to see you, Miss Dana. I'm so happy to see you. You save some fish in here.
The big chef.
People, I now wonder which part Psalms there. Don't wonder about Psalms. I saw Psalms already. We are good. We are on good terms. Angela, I have nothing to say. My mouth are closed. Yes, Miss Dana, I'm happy to see your house. Nice. Yeah.
Rasta Messi.
Why? They never come say, I want to keep secret. Hey! Move out on the face. What's up?
Say dancing partner.
Yeah, wire wheels. Electric wheels.
Electric wheels. Boom.
Glad to see you, Yeah, you come back? Alright.
But she have to come back. She have to come back. She can't leave the meat out. Not anymore.
You know, love the foolishness you see. All Esther run down left me. That's why I'm
George, you gonna check for her, mommy? Yeah. We'll check on what go on in the kitchen before the pot looks over there. Cause
Alright, go on.
We want to start early. Baby get baby?
Yeah. You first walk and pick up baby.
Baby get more baby? Yeah. Right, what them say you cannot have any more, Sam, this is the only wash belly you have.
Watch out.
Watch face.
Call him and ask him how fine them baby.
Yeah, spend a good time down there and come back and roll my medication. I went for medication Tuesday.
Yeah.
14th of November, that's my birthday.
Sorry for hear that. You better see my get lit down, man.
Yeah, man. You want one more?
Right. Go on, no? But you know what earth up, man.
That's good.
Sure.
Behind this prison wall, doing my faces, doing my time. That's all.
That's all. That is all.
That is all.
Yes, yes. Olivier, so walk on.
Nothing much, I'm just here on the ground.
Mm-hmm.
Very happy
Big
to be
artist.
here.
Yes, man.
Listening to all this entertainment from Mr. Glory.
Yeah.
Come sing the song again for me, because I never had it yet. I got interrupted rudely by the phone.
Yeah. Can him get him must save a little girl the other day
Yeah?
and Carl lick him
Oh,
and
yeah?
fracture him ribs.
Oh, my God. Don't press it.
But I feel it.
Yeah.
That's why you hear him sound so poorly, you know. Sorry if you hear that. Sorry if you hear that run out of breath. So now when you pressure it too much. You sing one song for her? Alright, go through.
Life, it can twist your heart, left you in the dark. I was cold and lonely. Life, it can, I know all is in. You lose control and let's go. Four.
Yeah, man, don't force it, man. Don't force it, yeah? Don't force it. Big up yourself, run out of breath.
If I catch up the road, we'll bring us some food now. Go back for the car.
Alright, Talpe. I'm ringing your phone. Been ringing your phone.
No, I'm not reach up this yet.
Let's
That's to make me for
go you want water.
I'm up on the thing you know.
Talpe, come here.
Alright.
Like a cool one.
Yeah, Auntie.
Yeah, cool.
Come give me the hug.
Yes.
I want the hug.
Look here how dirty him is. There, man. Show something in this, you know.
Yeah. I go and choose something there.
Pick up something, man. Pick up a roll on and a shower gel, you know. Pretty Dana from the UK.
Pretty Dana from the UK, right from third people. What if I love now, what if I respect, you know, blessing,
Yeah.
keep freshening up, you know.
Yes, sir.
Yes, cheer. One love, you know.
Alright, Pretty Dana from the UK. There we up and boom for rolling. You don't see me yet. Don't see boom. Yeah. Always see me there. Jella with more grand. More grand. Yes. So Vida, welcome again. Welcome.
Thank you.
Feel good.
No, so I always feel good when I'm there on ground. Yeah.
So come to your auntie. Show me your auntie. I see your auntie. It's too light. Go back up the road. I take you to a dream team.
No. You can't take you out of dream.
Well, come to your auntie.
You can't take you out of dream.
Come to your auntie. So the auntie say your ear one flat. A long time a flat though.
Two big bubbles.
A long time I put flat in a ear though, so be there.
Two big bubbles in there.
Hey, I tell you boy. Some big bubbles. Running out now, running out. Come down the mic. They want to soak too. Come on now. Then you have the ladies. Then you have ladies. So, song Pretty Dana from the UK.
blessed pretty Dana. Thanks and blessed one love. Yeah, thank you very much.
So you have them playing out for Rasta Jackson. They keep it to Rasta Jackson.
I hold them for Rasta Jackson till them come. Blessed one love.
Alright, so then you're on ladies stuff. So you'll keep them stuff here for the ladies. 80s. Alright, Pops, so we're looking in the kitchen. Good. Yeah, one case. So we're ready anyway. Alright, let's see the so the last part of chicken is frying. So we can get it out the way. So we'll give thanks again once more. Marcus Garvey Cultural Center, we thank you so much for the blessing for the elders and also for the kids them. I can see the kids them coming out now playing football here. You know, so once you're ready for them, you're gonna see kids from all over coming out for food, you know. So you wanna start it off early so everybody can get something. Yeah. Good, live. Yes, so we have the chips frying. Chips are fried for the kids. Chicken and chop up. You know the thing though? Yeah. Chicken is chopping up here. We have over here. Chicken again there. Chicken chopping up here. Chips are fried. Yeah. More chips frying. So now we're gonna start share food as well too for the elderly then. So this is it, 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 this is it. Chips, 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 ready. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Yeah, man. Yeah. Man. Yeah, man, so. So breeze off again, man. Hey, hey. Come join the line, come.
Chick, see line there.
Alright, people in the kitchen, bombing balls, sharing the rice, chicken is here. Mix with
yeah, take up. What's that for you? Yeah, man. On the spoon, sit down. Sit down.
Right, box.
Yes, that is it.
That is it. That is it. That is
Man,
it.
everything up and ready, man.
That is it.
Chicken alright. Rice and chicken.
When you go again, carry your yard in the air.
Come now, you prepared to come? Where there?
Where you going?
Yeah man, where you want to shop? Come now.
Carry your yard in the next time.
Where you want?
Mama there.
Yeah, where mama there? Prepare. Watch on the back, watch on the back.
Yeah, you can't park your say now. Who say that? What do you mean who say that?
Why you run? Why do you want me to get my gym team freeness?
What's she there?
Me don't know.
Mama always in that.
What's she boy ya?
She just there a while ago.
Mama, run down.
Mama just there a while ago.
Mama always had to eat before it ready.
Mama eat before everybody start get.
I should have liked food, you know.
The ripper just comes, so.
So the box I go get from Joe.
Get the box from Joe.
And then I'm in a box.
Yeah, the food then.
So what is that going in a box?
Buy another pack, man, to put in another bag of it.
Yeah, and the right thing come, the people are getting a box, makes sense.
Yeah. And go and serve them. Hey boy, so keep stay out there, sir. Alright. Yeah, want to share it?
No, I'm not gonna give you. You're right, how you want to give them?
Yeah. I don't know, where, go on. Yeah. You boy.
I got some water apparatus and people right now.
Hey boy, you did that? Eh?
Where do you go?
Hungry, you know.
Where do you go?
Sit down. Yeah.
Good, I know.
35.
Come kids, stretch your hand, come. Stretch for this, go.
Thank you. Yeah.
Come, next.
Come here, somebody and pass them in there. See what one is.
Come here, wow, see wow, yeah.
I'm a bad guy, let's start this up. You so good, Let them do them deal on the pot.
Oh, chicken. You don't put? Go on, put the rest. Go on, chop the rest. Go on, put them.
Boy, put it. Make him move. Yeah, one. Get it. 25. Away after the everything.
Yeah, man, so we have to give thanks to Rasta International Marcus Garvey Culture Center. You know, I say we have to give thanks again once more to Rasta International Marcus Garvey Culture Center, you know, for these blessings for the kids them today and the elderly them, you know. As you can see, this is what we're doing now. To help me thank them as well to all my viewers them. Can you help us start the Rasta International Marcus Garvey Culture? You know, thank them for me, thank them for these blessings, you know.
Joe, come on.
One of them. Yang put catch up na naman na ako. Wala yan dito. Really busy, so really thanks for what
Next half, I get 20 in already.
What?
Chips.
No, not that.
No, that's one full bag. One.
Chip.
Chip, man. One. Ba, Kylo. You get none of body. Yeah, come no, come.
Let's come here. Throwing some more wash at the same time.
Yeah, you go and show it.
Go and throw some more now. And look, like a week I go down there. Another week I go down town. No, I remember them man, I gotta bring them man. Yeah. Yeah, so you can see the dream team is hard at work. Come, kids. Come. Come on, come here.
No, come here, come. Dada. Nikki there. Nikki asleep. Oh, go on and come back on to Nikki.
Let some jump go 10. Let some jump go 10 bar. Big ball.
Yeah, big ball. That's good. Yeah, should I add something? Esther. Caesar. Caesar, what have them the bush name? Medina. Oh, she gonna tape in here?
No, two of the tape, no.
I don't know. Spot them. You can go and spot them. Yes, yeah, guys. So while the kids them is getting started here, we're gonna go on the road now to feed the LLM in the community. You know, so we have to do that because we cannot stay here and feed the kids them. See, we have to go and feed the LLM. So we're gonna leave the rest of the guys them to help out to feed the kids them, while we're gonna feed the LLM them before we get dark. You know, because time is really catching. Yeah, that's gonna be the mission now. So we're gonna pack the box. Here's the Esther pack in the box. Come kids, come.
No, madam, tell my boy come from Nikki one.
You sleep? So get Nikki one.
We'll get some more hot man.
So she just put them in a bag. Drop them and put them in a bag. Keep it, put them in a bag.
Yeah, I'm a half a people kill and if my brain do panic to
Let's go and put them in a bag.
I'm gonna get more chicken.
Give me the roll. Pop up there.
So next box will be on Esther.
Do them there in a file?
Yeah.
Who else out there?
Yeah, man.
I'm baby one for you, baby. Thank you.
Thank you. Kiosha.
Okay, the big one for you, baby.
Alright, wait.
Nicky, you want more?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
Don't come work with come in the night.
Thank you. Good call.
You want to mix data. There, you put your food on already.
Did I say your brother?
Oh, the little one.
So put the big one.
Baby, I call you. Leila come today and I share.
But she don't even
Chips are fried.
Alright, come stand up here for Jack.
Sorry kids, one pass. One minute. I don't know what they call. Go on.
Wash them food down the dog. Put them back on, please.
Let's wash them, I'll give Gloria. Hi.
Gloria. Gloria. Set up, me a forward. Right. Go on.
Evening, Gloria, evening. You want to put it down for you?
Yeah.
Put it down for
I
you.
eat it now.
I rest it on the table for you.
No, I'll just buy the table. I want to pick. Buy sugar box. Sugar box.
Sugar box.
Put it on the mic on here.
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright, then here we are. Yeah. Who plummy?
And the doctor said, doctor described sometimes the same type of fever.
Yeah.
The doctor said, when stop on clinic for.
Oh, say it might get worse now.
Yeah.
Oh.
But the way thing now walk up and down, you can't God for that. I'm all like this store and let me gas on. Sometimes we have this card wallet sometimes.
Yeah. Alright, then I tell Jobs to keep an eye on him closely then.
Doctor said to go do a test on the bed and do a blood test.
Yeah.
But you know when you need that, you will make a appointment.
Okay, I make a appointment for you.
Yeah.
Alright then, yeah?
Yeah.
Alright, thanks. What about Winston now? It's not working.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them well.
It's shipping.
6 of them well.
Let me call it.
You see 6 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them.
Yeah. Show me. Yeah.
Yes, God bless. God bless, brother. God bless. Yeah.
In this anchor, but that's on your gear that sing a while ago. If you want it the most, it's the easy way out. You're ready to go. If you're ready now, don't give up on your faith. Love comes to those who believe it.
Yeah. And Thumper, Joan. Oh, give Bobby phone. Tell us to soon come. Bobby.
Bobby, see me here.
Colors.
Yeah, Bobby.
Take one for colors there.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Okay.
You can't hear from so far. Eh? Run out. Yeah, on the top?
Yeah.
Alright, give it there now.
What's on it?
Yeah. Come now, go on the road then. Two. Take up, no man, some to Joan and Joan. Who you say that for? Thumper and Datty? Datty then. Yeah, chop. Yeah. Oh, you get her? Yeah. Okay.
Huh?
Alright. Yeah. Don't pass the thanks now.
Yeah, man, thanks, man. Yeah, thanks. Work for the cat.
Not call that. Yeah. Yeah. Scanner, come for your food. Fill it up there, go.
Yeah.
Come.
She still want her husband.
Alright, man, the Lord will bless you.
Alright, thanks to you. The food. And thanks for the
Go
food.
for one thing.
Give me the food. I still want a husband.
Alright.
Right?
Alright.
Still want one.
Yeah. Yeah, we just queen, but you must say.
Good evening.
How are you doing?
I'm not too bad.
Not too bad. Long time don't see me though. Long time. We bring a meal for you. How is Ali? Am I right? Okay, nice to know.
Bring him one.
You want to put it on inside or put it on there?
Come here, you.
Come put on this for you. Alright, you Mr. Star? Until next time, okay? Alright, you give that girl like this. Oh, should I go on? Oh, what collect it for you then? Hi, Miss Valen. So should I bring it to one for you, yeah?
Yeah.
Alright. French down. Hello. Bring rice and peas and chicken for you. Rice and peas and chicken fire. And alright though, yeah? Take it on to scanner. Scanner and fill it. Hey man, fill it. Still. Can I give my boy see me Peter? Scan and fill it. Yeah. Watch your step. Scanner and fill it. That's it. Rolling through the arts of Trenchtown, you know, helping out the needy and the less fortunate. You know, we give thanks to the Rasta International Marcus Garvey Cultural Center for looking out for the less fortunate. You know, it's really a blessing to be giving back. So scanner door is open. Okay. Yeah, man. Alright, Philip, bless up. Yeah. Scanner. Give her thanks.
Yeah, I keep it real.
Yes. We're gonna put in some work very soon, yeah?
Okay.
Soon as natural.
Yeah.
Get some free time. Okay?
There goes nice legacy.
And this food is coming from Rasta International Marcus Garvey Cultural Center. So here movements that come from. Yes, sir. Alright, then just kinda we're gonna make some run and come up. We're gonna put in some work this week for you, okay? Natural is gonna be free for a day, for at least a day, okay? Alright. Pepper. Peter. Yeah. Trips, who are going? Come here, Trips.
Yeah, Mr. River Trip. Oh, yeah, work. Oh.
So we have a food for you. You're coming from work?
Yeah.
And you're working no hard. In the mansion, yeah? Alright.
We got the exchange family.
Yeah.
Keep a baby. You keep a baby. Oh, Dana taking me.
Who, Dana?
What?
Dana?
Yeah.
Online.
Yeah, keep him.
Might as well. Okay. Yeah, you. Yes, I.
Yeah. Dana, man. Dana, I say if we look in the keep him. Look for one way that's still fish.
Done. What kind of smell like around here, so? Peter.
Yeah, the manga. How to write this though?
It's Rasta International Marcus Garvey Cultural Center. Hold up a name, so you can just give thanks.
I
know. It's a Marcus Garvey Heights.
Marcus Garvey Heights, give thanks.
Yeah.
I'm blessed to provide it.
Yes, sir.
And I will prepare it.
Yeah.
Give thanks. I'm glad for seeing you.
Cool, man.
I'm glad for seeing you.
Glad for knowing so you're up and running, man.
Yeah, man.
And you have mummy on your chest.
Yeah. Every time, you know?
Mama Jai.
Yeah, man.
Big up, man, every time, man.
Yeah.
So all is well with you.
Yeah, man, so far, you know. Giving thanks.
Let's go and give thanks and go on what it is, yeah?
Yeah, man. And you take care.
I know you're not worried.
Yeah.
Never worry. Alright, then, yeah?
Every stay strong, you know?
Yeah. Alright. Oh, okay, I'll give you your name again. Bring us so Crystal. So she name again. Bring us.
Oh, Princess.
Princess. I'm Prince.
6 in there.
6 in there.
That 3 seconds.
So that's 6. So give them 2 years so. Yeah. So it work out. Prince, we know Prince we in there, so we just left it with Prince.
Plug in storage.
So you can plug in your storage and leave your ripper.
You know?
Airbnb around there? Yeah. Princess in there? Church? Sean Prince? Oh, she run at church. We're gonna leave that food there for them. I go church. That is good. Alright, so Princess is at church. So Prince just reached home, so we're gonna leave the 2 food for Prince and Princess.
Come here, come collect. You never nothing in a shirt.
Prince!
Been take the down there, you know.
She's at church.
Yeah.
That me yes, I used to come from church.
Me pray, you know.
You pray? You pray for me?
Yeah.
For Kino?
Zeno.
Yeah.
You know some fight. You know the win. You know the win.
The ring, yeah.
The win, you do me.
Yeah.
The win, you to print it to come to me.
Yeah.
You know say, me have it. Palm in a man, palm I'm gonna know about that.
Hey, you lost it?
Me have it pan out wall window there. I put it on the window and somebody take it up, see it and take it up. When I do my on it, none more.
Me have to get one more for you.
One big one.
And big
one. One look out. You know the look out win them. One of them, yeah. You know?
Yeah.
One of them win you more.
So you have more ring?
You know? Me find one of them, yeah.
Yeah.
Up here, in the
So why you find a ring?
You know, one of them I want. You know, none of them, yeah.
Let me see that one here where you have. Oh, so Prince, you find a ring, you have ring.
Are your wife ring that?
A ring or an ears ring?
Eh?
A ring?
No, some ear thing, yeah.
Oh, you have an ears ring too? Oh.
I nick your boy.
Let me see a ring.
More, one of them want. I want a big ring.
A ears ring.
A ears ring?
No, a ring that. One of them, I want. I want a big ring.
Yeah.
The big, you know, a big ring, your pin come to me.
Yeah.
I don't want them, I don't want none of them there.
You want a bigger one?
One of them, yeah.
One of them there?
At them, anytime you do one of them, yeah.
Yeah.
The big ring, them.
Yeah.
The pin come, them. I'm gonna put it on the window there. The owner coming here. And them come in here, come take me, take it up and down with it and move it down. I'm not know it. The party, tell her done so.
The party said that?
You know? Nicky, my party.
Yeah, your birthday party.
Yeah. Leave it. My till up. I have a new to it. You be that see me down at Nicky shop.
Yeah.
Say, hey, teacher, what have I look to the? And I saw that I look for my foot.
I said the girl them a look for your foot.
I need to look for me.
Boy, the girl them a look for you.
Yeah. I said, bomb me, yo.
Alright, take it easy, man.
The phone auntie me that me not do about that there
The phone.
The phone auntie me not see it tonight, mash up down, you know. One phone, the phone them. I tap here, no,
yeah.
One of them phone them one of them bring come.
Alright then.
On your radio.
Me have it.
Still play it.
Yeah.
Alright.
Alright then, look more, yeah? May I catch up again now, because I give us some food to some people.
Yeah, you know, man.
So you get that money there. Alright, yeah?
Alright, yeah, Prince?
Yeah.
Don't lose that one, don't lose that money there, yeah? Put them in pocket. Alright. Alright, so Prince get his food and we'll leave Princess home. So we're gonna go to Amigo and his cousin now.
Sit down. Sit down.
Yeah.
Sit down.
Amigo.
Aye, sir. Come here.
What's going on? No. There are meal for your amigo.
Yes.
Blessings to us.
Just you telling me that well, the man them wicked, you know, brother, wicked, you know.
You mean it?
You know, them not fit light all that, so. I'll eat TV get lick, you know.
Well, TV get lick?
Yeah, man, I work for the matter, it was IC, and I will party, you know, money, you know, yeah, man. Yeah, no, man.
So blessings to all our new viewers then. This is Amigo as well too. Amigo is struggling with hearing. So Amigo cannot hear us clearly. You know, he cannot. So no matter what we say, he cannot hear what we say, you know, people. So this is Amigo. Amigo cannot hear.
And then I'm something for some work. And you know, yeah, man, want some more.
Yeah, man. So Amigo cannot hear clearly. Amigo. Yeah, so he says Amigo cannot hear us, you know. So no matter how we speak, he cannot hear us. You know, so that is Amigo, you cannot hear. Alright then.
Yeah, man.
Alright, bless, yeah. Mm-hmm.
I put back on the wall in Ghana.
Oh, TV.
Yeah, man, I want to fix it.
Alright, Amigo, yeah.
And when I put me in come in, I just get water.
You just get the new money.
That's it. Yeah. I put up on the wall, yes. I come there, come down, flat out, you know. Not there, no. Yeah, man. See the bedtime, yeah, man.
Alright. So Amigo cannot hear us, you know, so he cannot hear us clearly. So people, Amigo is the person who cannot hear. I don't did give him a hearing aid, but I guess it's been destroyed and don't know where it is, so he cannot hear anything at all.
Yeah.
Alright, then Father, bless up. Alright. Well, go on. All is well.
God bless you a long time and I see a big boss.
No.
Don't know, big up yourself.
Every time, yeah? Alright, big up.
Look how she not
Big up. Yeah, so back lad is still frying chicken. And kids still here waiting for them chicken. Chicken? Chicken. The chicken still a fry. Lad Park still there, I'm gonna get it work. Eh? And everything. Natish, what's up, baby? What go on? Just a touch in. Okay. Yeah, she was here earlier.
Next time, Auntie. You don't know anything, but only love.
Watch out now. You see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.